Okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Hey, what's up guys? So, today we have a unboxing and test of my new pressure washer and foam cannon and the gun for the pressure washer. So my last pressure washer, when we tried it, there wasn't enough suds. So I upgraded it. The last one I had, I bought from my friend for 40 bucks and it was like at least 5 years old. So I guess it wasn't strong enough. The gallons per minute wasn't enough. The last one was like 1.2. This one's 1.8. I forgot it. But let's open this. So my first order, I purchased off a non-Amazon Prime seller. And well, it never arrived. It never had tracking. So I reordered it and Amazon refunded my money because they let me do. So it looks like this. Doesn't look like there's that much padding in it.
Looks like my dad's lawnmower.
Yeah, so this one's the SPX3000. Yep, because this one, I think it's one of the more common ones. And the pressure washer gun, the separate gun that I bought, works with this machine, so it can have a higher flow. Yep. And it's also the short handle. I'll unbox that. So I'm guessing these are parts that attach to it. I'm not really sure what it is yet. We have soap dispensers. I guess you can put 2.
Cool.
But I have foam cannons, so I won't be using it. And the hose. And these are the tips. Here's the original gun it comes with, which I'm not going to use. And the original wand that it comes with. Okay. So you guys can get an overview of what you guys get. Alright, so before we put the pressure washer together, I'm going to unbox the gun that I got real quick. Give you a real quick unboxing because it's just in the bag. Very well padded. So there it is. This is a short gun. Just to compare. So this will be a lot easier when you're car washing because it's not so front heavy. So this will connect to the original hose that came with the SunJoe pressure washer. This is the foam cannon that we'll be using. So I bought this on Amazon as well. I used this with my last pressure washer, but yeah, the flow from the last pressure washer just wasn't enough. So hopefully this one will be. So only one way to find out. Yep, now we're going to try to assemble the pressure washer together. Okay, I had to push it in more. Cool, so it fit on. It's connected to the pressure washer. Now we just need to add the hose to it. Alright. Alright, so turning it on.
Whoa, that's loud.
Alright, power.
Oh, it's still on? So it only does it for a little bit.
Yeah, I think it's just releasing pressure. Let me try to untangle a little bit of this.
This hose is actually really nice.
Alright, so today I demo car, the Grand Cherokee.
Demo?
But before I shoot it on the car, I want to make sure it's not too crazy strong so it doesn't damage the car.
Oh shit!
Okay, maybe I shouldn't have done that.
Jeez! You're gonna clean that, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's gonna have way more pressure than my last one. I'm excited. Let's try the other tip. So all you do is push it back, pull it back, and then that's how you put on the tips. So that was on the original. So the original is 0. And then this one is, I guess, 0 as well. So just shoot straight. This one's 40 degrees.
What is slower?
15 degrees. This one is 25. And then this one is for the soap. So we're gonna try 40. So maybe it won't be as strong. So it doesn't like, I'm not sure what this does. But alright, let's try this one. 40. Okay, it feels so now. Cool.
Ah.
Cool. So this one's pretty good for washing cars. Wow, so first impression, I really like this machine. It's a lot stronger and the gun clip a lot nicer. I'd like him to try it out. What do you think?
It's nice.
Yeah, it's much nicer from our last one. All right, so I guess we'll just start doing some clips of washing it, and then after we rinse it off, we'll use the foam cannon.
Yeah, boy.
All right. So this gun also has a trigger log on it, so it doesn't let you go enough distance. But it's funny because once you get to here, they're already shooting at max.
Where's the trigger lock? Oh.
When you shoot like this, it shoots at max already, but it's a lot easier to shoot.
Eric just said my car is so dirty. But why is it so dirty? He gave away our before it was a pressure washer before we got the new one, so it's been 2 weeks and we haven't washed our cars.
Yeah, but
It's his fault.
It said
It's his fault.
it was supposed to come within that week, which it never even arrived. So, well, it's not my fault. It didn't come.
You know, he got too excited. He's like, here, take it. And then we didn't get the new one yet. So now my car's filthy. And so is his. Look at this. Look, they have white on it. It's so dirty.
Alright, so now the moment we've been waiting for.
Where?
Yeah, so the TriNova foam cannon. So I put a little bit more than half warm water. And then I'm gonna use chemical guys, the honeydew one. So far, this has been a really good soap. And I had this for a while. It lasts a long time. I'm just gonna put a little bit more than normal. I think that's more than normal. Alright. Can you don't help me? You not help me. And give it a nice swirl. So take off the tip. Put this one on. Boom. Nice. Alright, let's see how this goes.
My turn. This is heavy.
Yeah, this tank capacity is pretty big. So it's actually kind of heavy. Yeah, we're ready. Oh, nice. There you go.
It says fan and stream.
Mm-hmm.
It says stream to the right, fan to the left, except I went to the right and now fan.
Yeah, so this one's much nicer than our last one. Pretty thick, very silky. Let's see if it'll show up on the black wheel. So it's very thick, but it could be because I put a lot of soap as well. But no foam cannon compares to the Kranzel my cousin had. But anyways. Now I'm gonna try the 25-degree one. Just push back, put it down, and we're good. Alright, so this one, I think it's actually better to rinse the car off with. It's a little bit more stronger. And it reminds you of like the self-service car wash places you go to. That's what it feels like. And I think it's a lot better with the 25-degree actually. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and watch our other videos.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.